in pertaining to birdhouses, a link to a blog that I made back in 2010. We were living in Virginia, and I was taking natural wood pallets from a 5 and dime store there.
I started going crazy.
Building these things. So I actually built these. I'm going to be working with, there was one that was, these things have been out in the weather for over 10 years, and they've held up this well. There is a little bit of cracking and splitting, as I'm going to rehab one of these guys. I think I'm going to rehab this guy and put a plate on the back so that I can hang it on the tree back there. Hang it up on the tree. Okay, so let's look at the features of this guy. It's a little bit, this was actually two pieces of wood on the back. And then they're nailed. You can see the second nail here on both sides. Goes into the bottom piece of wood here. That's actually a hinge. And then there's a screw right there. I'm going to screw it to the back here. So small hole to hold this down. Got a hole there. Got a hole there. Held down, both sides. Rainproof. All right, so I'm going to seal this hole in the back here. And I'd forgotten that I had used that other piece of wood to make my my turtle crossing sign. It was off of that. So I'm going to put these on the back like so, and then I'm going to try. So I've got enough backing there to put it up on the tree, so let's go do that. I even drilled pilot holes for the screws to screw it to the tree. And there we go. Right by the bird feeder.